going to show you how to make brunch muffins. You have 2 eggs. To that you add half a cup of applesauce, half a cup of sugar. Mix that together so it's all incorporated in there. Then we're going to put 1½ cups of milk. Okay, stir that together. To that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to mix that all together. To that we're going to add 2 cups of flour, mix that all together. To this we're going to add 1½ cups of bran flakes and 1½ cups of raisin bran. Mix that all together. Once we get it all mixed together, we're going to put it in a muffin pan, put it in the oven on 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. I have a greased pan over here. Just spray it with non-stick cooking spray right here. And once you get everything stirred up, then just put it in your muffin pan. We have all our mixture in our muffin pan, and I put it on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper just in case it raises and goes over the pan, so it's easy cleanup. We're going to put it in the oven on 350 for 25 to 30 minutes till they're golden brown. Mom's brunch muffins just came out of the oven. I took them out of the muffin pan. They're all nice and golden brown, full of bran that's good for you. You can cut them in half, put a little butter on them, and enjoy. I hope you like Mom's Bran Muffins. Try the recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.